This is not just a story. It is the reality of many young people today. Every year, thousands of commerce students graduate with dreams of a successful career. They imagine a good job, financial stability, and a bright future. But after entering the real world, many of them face a very different reality. Low salary, repetitive work, and constant pressure to grow faster. This is the story of Rohit, a simple commerce graduate who started his career as a basic accountant. At first, he believed that hard work alone would bring success. But after a few years, he realized that the world had changed. Companies were no longer looking only for degrees, they were looking for advanced skills and technology knowledge. Rohit's journey from a simple accounting job to becoming an IT professional is a powerful example of how today's youth must adapt to the changing job market. Let's listen to his full story.
Rohit was staring at his laptop screen. Rows of numbers, debit, credit, Excel sheets, invoices. It was 9:45 p.m. The entire office floor was almost empty. Only the white light of computer screens was glowing in the silent room. Rohit rubbed his eyes and leaned back in his chair. Is this really my life now? He whispered to himself. 2 years ago, things were very different. When Rohit completed his BCom degree, he was full of excitement. Like many middle-class students, his dream was simple: get a stable job and make his parents proud. After months of searching, he finally got a job as a junior accountant. The day he received the offer letter, his mother made sweets at home. His father proudly told relatives, "My son is working in accounts now." Rohit also believed that this was the beginning of a successful career. But slowly, reality started appearing. His daily routine became mechanical. Open Excel, enter invoices, check vouchers, prepare reports. Repeat. Day after day, month after month. The salary increase was small. The work never changed. One evening during dinner, his father casually asked, "So Rohit, how much salary will you get after promotion?" Rohit forced a small smile. "I don't know yet." But deep inside, he already knew the answer. Not much. A few days later, Rohit met his college friend Karan at a cafe. They had not met for almost a year. Karan looked confident and successful. During the conversation, Rohit asked, "So, what are you doing these days?" Karan replied, "I'm working as a consultant on financial systems." Rohit looked confused. Financial systems? Karan laughed. Big companies don't manage finance the old way anymore. They use enterprise systems for planning, reconciliation, consolidation, everything. Rohit leaned forward. What systems? Oracle EPM systems, Karan replied. Rohit had never heard that name before. Karan continued. Companies need people who understand finance and technology together. That's where the real opportunities are. That sentence stayed in Rohit's mind the entire night. Finance and technology together. The next few weeks changed everything. After work, Rohit started researching online. He watched videos, read articles, and tried to understand what these systems actually were. The more he learned, the more he realized something important. The world had moved ahead. Basic accounting jobs were slowly becoming routine work, but professionals who understood enterprise financial systems were working on global projects and earning much higher salaries. One night at 1 a.m., while watching another video, Rohit paused and said to himself, "If others can learn this, why can't I?" That was the moment his journey truly began. He started searching for proper training. After comparing many options and reading reviews from professionals, he discovered BISP trainings, where many people recommended learning Oracle EPM technologies with practical knowledge. Rohit decided to take the risk. During the day, he worked in the office. At night, he started learning. The beginning was difficult. The concepts were new and sometimes confusing. But slowly, things started making sense. He learned how companies consolidate financial data from multiple countries. He understood how reconciliation systems work. He discovered how planning tools help organizations forecast business decisions. For the first time in years, Rohit felt excited about learning something new. Months later, after completing his training and practicing the tools,
Rohit updated his resume. This time, his profile looked completely different. He was no longer just an accountant. He understood enterprise financial systems. Soon, interview calls started coming. During one interview, the hiring manager asked, "You started as an accountant. Why did you move into financial systems?" Rohit smiled and replied, "Because I didn't want to stay where I started." A week later, he received an email. Offer letter. The role was in Oracle EPM consulting and the salary was almost double his previous job. Rohit looked at the screen quietly for a few minutes. He remembered the silent nights in the office, the endless Excel sheets, and the moment he decided that he refused to stay stuck. Today, Rohit works with global companies implementing financial systems, and whenever someone asks him how he changed his career, he always gives the same advice. If you want to grow in finance technology, start learning the right skills. Explore Oracle EPM tools and practical training from BISP trainings. He also tells people, if you want to understand these technologies step by step, you can watch real learning videos on the YouTube channel BISP Solutions. Because sometimes one video, one skill, and one decision can completely change a person's future.